Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upgrade to Finch Plus. Finch is a self-care and mental wellness app that helps you build healthy habits through daily goals, reflection, exercises, and connection with a virtual pet companion. While the core experience remains free, Finch offers an optional premium subscription called Finch Plus, which unlocks extra customization, bonus content, and enhanced self-care tools to deepen your experience. And in this guide, you will learn how to upgrade to Finch Plus step by step, whether you want a monthly access or a yearly plan, or simply want to try a free trial if available. So first you need to launch your Finch app, and once you reach into this dashboard, what you can do is in the top left there's a three-lined icon. Select to this icon here and you will find this Finch Plus more insights sent to Pickle's mailbox. What you can do is select to try for free. Over here you can select your yearly plan or monthly plan as per your interest, and after that you can select your start my free trial, and you can confirm your payment through your app store. Finch Plus subscription are billed through Apple App Store. Confirm your purchase using your device's payment method. Enjoy your Plus benefit. Once confirmed, Finch will unlock your Plus feature right inside the app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like and share, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.